Compliant with ISO 11140-4 and ISO 11140-6, the Bowie Dick and hollow load simulation test by Mesa Labs is designed for daily air removal and steam penetration testing. It combines both Bowie Dick and hollow load simulations into one easy-to-use, integrated system. First, remove the indicator strip from its packaging. Fold the strip with the indicator bars facing inward and insert it into the white holder, ensuring the fold faces the screw cap. Leave the end of the strip extending outside the holder. Next, insert the holder into the process challenge device and tighten the cap securely. Position the PCD in the lower part of the sterilizer chamber, near the door, either on a stainless steel tray or a loading rack. No additional packs or pouches are required. After completing the sterilization cycle and allowing the device to cool, remove the indicator strip for inspection. If all 6 bars have changed from yellow to black, the test result is successful, confirming effective air removal and steam penetration. This reusable device provides a precise and consistent color change, ensuring easy interpretation and reliable record-keeping. Mesa Labs delivers trusted performance, compliance, and confidence, ensuring safety, quality, and accuracy in every sterilization cycle. Mesa Labs, reliable results every time.